Hello there everyone and welcome to our August 2020 stamp release full reveal video. So first up we have the beautiful Beauty Within stamp set. So this one is a 6x8 inch stamp set, and in here we have 3 beautiful flower images as well as the leaves, and we have some really great sentiments to use on all of your cards for all different occasions. As well as the stamp set, we have the coordinating die set available as well, which is going to cut out those 3 flowers, those 3 large leaf clusters, and also those little foliage pieces too. As well as the stamp and the die set, we also have a new simple colouring stencil for this stamp set. Now this is really cool. You do have 3 pieces in this stencil set, and this is going to allow you to simple colour 2 of the flowers in the stamp set as well as both of those leaf clusters. So you're going to be able to ink blend these really beautifully and simply and quickly to create many different designs. Next up we have the Amaryllis stamp set. So in here we have a large beautiful floral image as well as layers which go within that beautiful stamp and some sentiments to go with it too. So if I turn this over, you can see that we do have the guideline on the back of the stamp set, so you're going to be able to create really beautiful florals really quickly and easily using all of your favorite colors of ink. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available as well, which is going to cut out that beautiful floral image that we have there. As well as that, we do have the mask stencil too, so you're going to be able to mask and stencil that beautiful floral amaryllis. So with the sentiments that you do have in the stamp set, you're going to be able to create many different projects for many different occasions. Next up we have Splatter Constellations. Now again, this is a 6x8 inch stamp set, so it's a really big one. And in here we have all the various different signs of the zodiac in a splatter effect, as well as the name of the zodiac and some couple of little sentiments at the bottom which say hello and also happy birthday. So you can add those in to your zodiac names to create a really customized card that way. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available, and that is going to cut out all of those little splatter constellations that we have in the stamp set. Again, this is a great one to send a card to a loved one that does have a specific star sign on it, so it's a great one to use and it's really fun too. Next up we have Camp Life. Now again, this is a 6x8 inch clear stamp set, and in here we have some really fun camping kind of images. These are all outlines, so you can use your favorite coloring mediums to color them in. As well as the images, we do have so many different sentiments on this set as well, all around an adventure camping theme. So you're going to be able to create lots of different projects for this, and maybe use them for scrapbooking as well, as they would work perfectly. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available as well, and that's going to cut out all of the images that you can see on the stamp set really perfectly, so you can use those quickly and easily on your projects without having to fuzzy cut them. Next up we have Floral Minimalism. Now this is a 4x6 inch stamp set, and as you can see we have some really cool solid floral elements on there, as well as a simple sentiment too. If I turn this over, you can see that we do have the layering guide on the back of there, so we have 4 different flowers and 3 different leaves that you can use to create your own little arrangements, backgrounds, anything that you can think of. You'll be able to do it with this little set here. So this is a really great one to use for all of your different projects, as it's such a fun design and I think it would work well. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available as well, and that is going to cut out all of the elements from the stamp set. As well as that, we also have the mask stencil, so you're not going to need to do any masking with this stamp set, and you're going to be able to create beautiful floral clusters really quickly. Next up we have Darling Rose. Now in this 4x6 stamp set, we have a large floral rose image as well as 3 leaves and some really cool sentiments, which is all around a rose theme. Roses are always really popular to create floral cards, and as this is an outline stamp, you're going to be able to colour this with all of your favourite colouring mediums to create many different looks using the stamp set. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available, which is going to cut out that large rose and also the 3 different leaves that you have on the stamp set as well. Also, we do have the mask stencil, so that means you're going to be able to mask these images and also stencil into the image if you want to create a quick card with a little bit of ink blending. Next up we have Baby Shower stamp set. Now this is a 4x6 inch stamp set and this is so very cute. So we have a little animal cluster at the bottom, we have balloons, we have a large banner as well as sentiments within this stamp set. Even though it does say baby shower, I think you could use these images for many different cards. It doesn't have to be baby shower cards. You could definitely use these for children's cards or even adults cards if they really do love bears, rabbits, mice and foxes. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available, which is going to cut out that little animal cluster as well as the large banner that you have on the stamp set. Last up of our stamp sets for this release is With Deepest Sympathy. So this is a 4x6 stamp set and it has many different sentiments on here which revolve around giving sympathy. They're really heartfelt and really great ones to use on the outside or maybe the inside of your cards. In this release, we are excited to introduce a new category for us, and that is going to be these really cool wax seal stamps. So we have 5 in total to start with, and this is the Delicate Bloom. We also have the beautiful Just Thanks little one here. So they come on a wooden handle and they are really heavy metal at the bottom. So when you do melt your wax, they're going to pop right in really easily. This one here is the With Love. So it has an envelope with a little heart on. We also have the Just Hello. And we have a really beautiful scripty hello on that one there. And then last but not least, we have the Blooming Bud at the bottom. This is going to create like a solid flower in there and it's very pretty. As well as the beautiful wax seal stamps, you're going to need something to stamp into, and that is when you're going to need your wax. So this one we have a pack of 4. This is the wax seal stick set. So in here you have 4 sticks of wax. We have the garnet, the rose gold, the enchanted gold, and also the sapphire. So you've got a red, a blue, and 2 goldy colours in there. If you did want more of them, we do have the wax beads as well available. So as you can see here, this one is the enchanted gold. This is really rich yellow gold colour. Then we have the garnet, which is kind of a burgundy red colour there. We also have the rose gold, so this is like a platinum with a touch of pink to it that way. And then we also have the beautiful sapphire, and this is a beautiful blue colour there. So to use the wax bead, you are going to need a little wax seal melting spoon. So here we have one which is a wooden handled one, and it's really great to use. It's got a little dip on it so you can easily pour your wax into place. So that is everything in our August 2020 Stamp and Die release full reveal. We really do hope that you've seen something that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.